So next let us take this question, integration of e power x by e power 2x plus 6 e power x plus 5 dx. So how do we integrate this integral? So here as we can see, the denominator is made up of the function e power x, and the differentiation of e power x is e power x, which is there in the numerator. So first let us do the substitution. So let e power x is equal to t. So this implies e power x dx will be equal to dt. So this integral becomes integration of dt by t square plus 6t plus 5. So this is a dt by quadratic in t. So now I'll complete the squares here. Integration of dt by. So by now you'd have got a hold on how to do this completion of squares. So t square plus 6t can be written as a t plus 3t whole square. Sorry, t plus 3 whole square. You get t square plus 6t. You get an extra 9 here. But here you have a 5. So 5 minus 9 has to be done. So you get a minus 4. So t square plus 6t plus 9 minus 4 is 5. So that is equal to, this looks like integration of dx by x square minus a square. So the formula for this is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a mod. So let us use the formula here. So the formula is 1 by 2 into 4 can be written as 2 square. So a is 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 log mod x minus a. In the place of x you have t plus 3. So t plus 3 minus 2 by t plus 3 plus 2 plus c. That is equal to 1 by 4 log of t plus 1 by t plus 5 plus c. And t is nothing but e power x. We do the back substitution. So 1 by 4 log of e power x plus 1 by e power x plus 5 plus c is the answer.